Well, hello, welcome to Crooks Wooden Works. I'm going to be teaching you how to go about doing intarsia. Intarsia, the way I do it, I'm self taught. I've only been doing it 18 months myself and learn each piece as I go. So bear with me. Intarsia is the use of natural colored woods, all different species and all different colors, and they're all hand cut with a scroll saw, and then you shape them all and sand them and fit them all back together to create a picture, it's kind of like a puzzle, but it's a piece of art in my opinion. It's amazing how there's so many different colors in the world and you get to put them all together to make art. So with that being said, I'm going to teach you how to take a piece of wood, a flat board, and turn it into a piece of art. So there are different kinds of woods out there. There's different colors of woods out there. I have a small setup here where you can see all the different colors. I have reds, I have yellows, I have stripes, I have blacks, I have whites, and they all vary. This is the same species of wood. It's a cherry wood, where you can see this has grain that's real tight and lined, but this is wide, yet it's still another piece of cherry. And they are slightly different in color as well. But some boards have multiple colors in one. Like this one has green, browns, whites. I've even seen blacks and purples in poplar. So I save all of my scraps because I use everything one day or another for a different piece or not. So anyway, let's get to it. I'm going to show you some of the basics.